Hi, today I'm playing left, right, center, and I have 12 ones, and I have 3 tinies behind my cards. And these cards Midge from Sunshine and Chaos Budgeting made. And pass, pass, right, 2 left and right, 2 for center, right, left, center, and I have 3 left. So right, pass, and 2 for right. So, okay. So first up is left, and it's from Money Boss in the Making, Sadie J. And I have 1, 2, 3. Oops. So 1, 2, and 3. And this is sticking around till next time. And then center is from Maryland Budgets. And I have 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, and 3. And then last step is right. And I have dot, and it's from Jesse Budgets. And I need $3. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3. Oops. So this one's done. 1, 2, 3. So with hers, I saved, oops, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $9. So 9, and then I'm adding in this one. It's from Always Angela XOXO, and I have $3 to add in. So 1, 2, and 3. So that's my 3. So Midge from Sunshine and Chaos Budgeting made me this jar and she made the label. Well, we stuck the label on the jar. But for each challenge I complete, I'm adding in $1 for now until my finances get better. And I'm saving that money. And so it's there, and then this I'll put with my other savings. And that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.